passage, we see it starts off with writers are always headed or looking for a home. My sense of place is fluid, ever shifting. I have claimed at one point or other every place as my home. And then the author goes on to talk about how she lived in Washington and she lived in various other places, how she's an American but also an Africa's yearning stepchild, and how she sold her first piece of writing in Manhattan, gave birth to her only child in Lagos, and experienced Paris in the spring. Thus, we see that um, her definition of home is fluid, her sense of place is ever shifting. She's always looking for a home and she goes to various places that she eventually calls home. In passage 2, we also see the author spent his formative years in Texas. He then went to Queens, then he went to Manhattan, then he went to Washington, then New York as well, and all these places permitted him to look at his natural habitat with fresh eyes and even spurred me to leave my native place. So, if my native place has been guilty of change, then so have I. So, from this, we can say that when he says if my native place has been guilty of change, he means his perspective of what his native place is. So, hence, we can say in both the passages, the authors would agree that leaving their native places changed their perspective about what homes are. Hence, we choose option C.